Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by opening Settings and going straight to Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. This is where lock screen controls live. Enter your device passcode when prompted so changes can be saved. Once done, locate the section labeled Allow Access when locked. It's the list that controls what appears on your lock screen. Make sure to move at a steady pace. You're creating the context needed to remove AirPlay controls safely and without guessing. Now, inside Allow Access when locked, find the Control Center toggle and switch it off. This hides the swipe up or swipe down access that can show AirPlay. Next, check Home Control and Media Controls. Disabling those prevents home hubs or music widgets from offering AirPlay on the lock screen. Once toggled, press the side or top button to lock the device and confirm the AirPlay icon no longer appears. If AirPlay persists, proceed to the final cleanup step. Finish by locking your device and checking the lock screen. If AirPlay controls are gone, you're done. If they remain, restart the phone to clear cached UI elements, and then sign out of any AirPlay-enabled apps or unpair nearby Apple TVs and Bluetooth audio devices. Sometimes a paired accessory forces the control to show. If problems persist, update iOS or reset network and privacy settings. This clears stubborn permissions that could re-enable lock screen AirPlay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.